Hi guys, I was just about to head to bed when I heard the mailman pull up. So I run out there, and in the mailbox is this package from Scott Barrett. A lot of you may know him from Rare Element Lockpicks, but some of you don't. If you don't, you're missing out on a hell of a guy. He is something else. Really great guy. We are going to see what he sent us. But before we do, Scott, if you're watching this, I want to say thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I mean, from the bottom of my heart, man. Thank you. That's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. What is that? Oh, okay. Tension wrench. I was thinking pick wire for some reason for a second there. Oh, I'm so excited. Here, I have to find my others real quick. See, I already have some of Scott's picks, and they're some of my favorite picks that I have. So he sent me more. I could not be happier. Oh, it looks like he sent me some steel to play with too. I was talking to him about being interested in, not making picks on a large scale, but just a few for myself. Oh man, that is so awesome. 25 thousandths. Perfect, man. Thank you so much. I will put these to good use. He sent me another 13 thousandths. A DeForest hybrid this time. I like that. That'll go with my 13 thousandths short hook, which I love. Remove this. And these are all in 23 thousandths. That's the one. That was, I actually had this before, this exact profile. And man, I got a little too cocky with it. I snapped it. And I didn't snap it where you would normally snap a pick. I just snapped but that much of the tip off. Damn, my thumbnail's dirty. This, I am so curious to play with. It's my son's initials. Rest in peace. Joshua Jordan Dungan. Rest in peace. And he named it the Dungan. Oh man, that's so awesome. Scott, I'm touched, my friend. I am touched. I like that a lot too. That's gonna get a lot of play. I don't know what to call that one, but it goes up. If you hold them flat, it starts to angle up faster instead of going out and just hooking up. It's more of a gradual slope, but it gets to about the same point, really close. be a really good little short hook. Like when you're getting in a narrow spot and you just need a little lift. Well, Scott, I really appreciate it, my friend. And where'd he go? That one there, man. That's so awesome. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm gonna end this video before I start crying. But wow, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Love you, brother. Have a good day. Everybody else, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.